The incident is said to have occurred between 1997 and 1999. Williams was charged on January 21, 2018, but was granted bail with one surety. Police investigators claimed it is the first time they were able to bring charges against an individual after such a lengthy period. Our newsroom sought to gain some clarity from this legal mind, attorney at law, Ruggles Ferguson. His comments are based on a release issued from the Community Relations Department. The matter at hand, according to him, is referred to as an indictable offense. This particular offense has no limit to which an individual can file a complaint.
Element of female, and that is what you call an indictable offense. There are two main categories of offenses under the Criminal Code. You have summary offenses and you have indictable offenses. Summary offenses can be tried and determined in the magistrate's court, and they usually have time limits between 3 and 6 months generally for summary offenses, though you have other time limits. Once it's an indictable offense, however, there is no time limit, and defilement of a female falls under the category of indictable offenses.
The law stipulates that any sexual offense with a person under the age of 16, with or without consent, constitutes an offense. Ferguson says it is unusual for an offense of this kind to charge someone after such a long period. The question remains, why?
Why? Because, especially with sexual offenses, allegations are easy to make and difficult to disprove. Somebody can make an allegation. The allegation may be true, the allegation may not be true. Then ultimately the person who is accused, then after all this time would have passed, would have certain challenges in presenting a defense. It's every person who is accused of an offense has a constitutional right to a fair trial within a reasonable time. Now, that makes allowances, that's Section 8 of our Constitution, for a person charged with a criminal offense to be tried within a reasonable time.
For a matter of this nature, the legal mind stated that certain elements are critical. In criminal matters, proving the case rests in the hands of the prosecution.
Well, what I understand from the report, and I'm only indicating based on reports, that it's defilement of a female under the age of 13. And to the best of my recollection, that carries a maximum under the old law of 7 years imprisonment. Those penalties were increased in 2012 or thereabouts, and most of these penalties have been doubled. I know definitely for the ages 13 to 16, it moved from 15 years to 30 years. Those penalties were doubled. However, what is material is not when he was charged, but when the offense took place.
Therefore, the new law does not apply in this case. Chrislina John, for GBN News.